How to fix TikTok search bar on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok search bar on Android phone. First just go to settings and then apps and now apps again and type here TikTok. Now just click storage, clear cache and now go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem just go to TikTok and then go to profile here and click these three lines and then click settings and privacy. Now scroll down and here you will find logout. Now all you need to do just log out and log in again and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.